Hi, welcome to my channel. So from this video, I want to bring to all of you one notice. Okay, along with that notice or the information, I'm strongly insisting as well as requesting to the National Testing Agency to postpone the examination dates. Okay, at least one day examination date has to be postponed. Okay, so why it has to be postponed and why I'm insisting or the requesting, okay, that we will see in this video, guys. So as all of you know that the University Grants Commission released the notification here. Okay, so just a couple of weeks back, that notification is regarding uh, both the two cycles are merged together. That is December 2020 as well as the June 2021. Both these two cycles are merged to regularize the UGC NET examination cycles. So and the combined examination is going to be happen in the month of October, and the examination dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021, and the timings are also provided here: morning 9 to 12 o'clock, and the second shift is 3 to 6 o'clock. Fine. So here the qualification required for applying this NTA UGC NET exam is post graduation in the respective discipline or else equivalent disciplines, right? So that is the qualification required for this one. But whatever this examination dates are there, these dates are clashing with the UPSC revised annual calendar. Okay, so actually the UPSC revised annual calendar released on 25th June 2021. Okay, 25th June 2021. But UGC NET, that means the National Testing Agency, released the UGC NET examination dates in this month, right? So in this month, that means after releasing the UPSC calendar, the National Testing Agency released this one. And here what is the problem is that in the revised calendar of this UPSC, here you may check down, the two examinations are getting clash with this UGC NET examination dates. So those are Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2021 and Indian Forest Service Preliminary Examination 2021 through CS Examination 2021. Fine. So you may check down, both these two examinations are going to be conducted on the 10th October 2021, Sunday. Okay, Sunday, 10th October 2021. So here, whatever the dates are mentioned by the National Testing Agency regarding this UGC NET exam, on 10th, the clash is going to be happen. So based upon this one, okay, whenever I'm taking the unacademic classes to the students, so I got few comments from the students that, sir, we applied for the UPSC. Actually, for applying the UPSC civil services, degree is enough. That means graduation is enough. Okay. So there are most of the chances are there, the candidates who can apply for the UGC NET exam as well as who can apply for the UPSC preliminary examination also. Most of the chances are there. So that's why on 10th October 2021, the examination dates are going to be clashed. And for example, if the candidate who applied for this exam, that means civil preliminary as well as the Indian Forest Service preliminary and the UGC NET exam, so if on the 10th, okay, if that candidate got this admit card, then what the candidate has to do? Okay, so the candidate has to give the importance to the NTA UGC NET exam or else the UPSC civil services, okay, preliminary examination. So that's why, in order to avoid this clash, I'm requesting the National Testing Agency to just postpone at least the 10th October 2021, whatever the examination is there. So just postpone to 12th or else try to prepone. Okay, so it is what I'm requesting. So you guys also please make this video to reach as maximum as people, okay, so that you guys also can put one mail to the National Testing Agency. Even I too will put the mail, guys. So here the mail ID is also provided. Fine. So ugcnet@nta.ac.in. Fine. So to this mail ID, even you too try to put the mail here, okay, by taking both these two pics. So one is the examination dates of the NTA UGC NET and second one is the revised calendar of the UPSC. So both these two dates are clashing. Okay, so if it happens, then there's a chance of losing the examination. Okay, but because UPSC civil services will conduct only once in a year. Okay, only once in a year. but at least NTA UGC NET will happen twice in a year, but of course due to some pandemic situation it just got delayed. So that's why I'm requesting you to make this video to reach as my exam as possible, and please put the mail to National Testing Agency regarding this clashing of the dates, because UPSC released this revised calendar in the month of June. That means before announcement of the National Testing Agency, the UPSC already announced this revised calendar. So I'm requesting the National Testing Agency and you guys, so please support this one to avoid the clashes. Why? Because the students or the candidates may lose any one of the examination, right? So both the two examinations are important as per the candidate point of view. Okay, so the candidate should not lose any one of the examination. So kindly requesting to postpone at least the 10th October examination, whatever is there by the National Testing Agency. So at least make this one as a postpone. Then it will be very much beneficial to the candidates or the students who applied for both these two examinations, right? So please support this video, guys, and please share this video to as max as possible. Okay, and let this information reach to National Testing Agency through the video, or else through your mails, or else through your Twitter, anything. Fine. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. And to get the more updates, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen. Otherwise, you may close this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.